higala, maayong adlaw and welcome back to Ed's Realty Guide PH. Andito tayo ngayon sa City of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro. Vale Residences, as you can see naman, ongoing construction na rin siya, guys. Let's tour around. Ganito yung itsura ng amenity, future development.
At kung naghahanap ka ng affordable, modern at smart investment dito sa booming na Uptown CDO, baka this video is for you.
Today, we're featuring SMDC Vale Residences, ang latest at stylish condo development ng SMDC dito sa CDO. Malapit sa SM Uptown, Xavier University, hospitals, and major establishments and commercial hubs. Super convenient sa mga young professionals and families and also sa mga investor na gusto mag-start ng kanilang rental business.
And here's the best part, for only 11,000 monthly, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng sariling unit dito. Yes, mga higala, hulugan na super light sa bulsa, pero talagang investment na pangmatagalan, secure at quality pa.
Mel, Danica, bakit nga ba maganda mag-invest sa Vale Residences?
Siyempre ma'am, unang-una dyan is the prime location. Nasa Uptown CDO ka, one of the city's fastest growing areas. So dito kasi sa Uptown CDO, malapit ka lang sa malls, schools, and mga establishment na kilala dito sa Cagayan de Oro.
And second guys is yung high rental potential natin. Since meron nga tayong prime location, syempre magkakaroon din tayo ng high rental potential. Since very convenient, malapit sa schools and business centers, perfect for passive income. Lalo na sa mga OFW dyan na gusto mag-invest or mag-start ng kanilang rental business.
Trusted developer, SMDC is known nationwide for building quality homes with excellent property management.
And then the next is value appreciation. Habang tumatagal, mas tumataas yung value ng property mo dito. That is a long-term gain.
And last but not the least, we have lifestyle amenities. So si SMDC, lahat ng project niya, kilala siya sa mga resort-style amenities. From the pool, to the clubhouse, to green open spaces, you get more than just a unit. You get a lifestyle. So super convenient talaga dito kay SMDC, para kang nasa vacation every day.
SMDC Living means may access ka sa world-class amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, landscape garden, 24/7 security, all in a peaceful and well-planned community.
Kung ready ka na i-visualize ang future mo, whether your personal use or passive income through rentals, stay tuned. We give you full tour of model units, amenities, and syempre, the full payment option na swak sa budget mo.
Ready ka na ba to own your own space for only 11,000 monthly? Tara, let's go and explore SMDC Vale Residences right here in Cagayan de Oro.
At nandito naman tayo sa scale model ng Vale Residences. We have phase 1 hanggang 4th floor and phase 2. Almost sold out na rin yung property dito due to the high demand. It's a mid-rise building. Total land area niya is 5.2 hectares. Located dito sa Uptown, malapit lang sa SM, Vale Residences, still under construction. Meron pa tayo mga few units left. Sa mga interested client, you can contact us from the number that you see on the screen. We can set a Zoom presentation anytime. The available units is 1 bedroom. Later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung model units and actual deliverables to give you idea. And if you want a more bigger size, we can do combined units kasi still under construction pa naman siya sa phase 2. Napakaganda nito. It's like a garden community as you can see. Meron tayong mga linear park dito sa pagitan ng mga buildings. So meron pa rin tayong view. And nandito yung ating amenities, swimming pool, kiddie pool, landscape garden, we have playroom. We also have parking slot in the open area, basketball court. Ayan. This is good for rental investment. It is also open from Airbnb business, mapa long-term man yan, or daily investment. For sure, maraming magre-rent dito kasi walking distance lang siya sa mga basic needs natin. Just lalakarin mo lang kung gusto mo mag-grocery, mag-shopping, kumain sa restaurant, may bibilin ka. So, everything you need is just within reach. Maganda mag-invest ngayon habang meron pa tayong mga non-VAT unit, you can save 12%. Ayan guys, if you have question, contact us. This is the actual deliverables. 24.40 square meter for typical 1 bedroom. Tara, silipin natin. As you can see, ito yung ating kitchen area. May kasama na siyang lower cabinet. May grease trap na rin para sa mga nagluluto, hindi siya magbabara. And we have the sink over here. Pwede natin itong i-customize. Pwedeng palagyan ng upper cabinet. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen para magkaroon kayo ng idea. And ito naman yung ating toilet. We have provision for top-load washing machine. Meron tayong sink. And pwede nyo lagyan dito ng vanity mirror. And this is the toilet. Ito naman ang ating shower. Meron na siyang provision for shower. Pwede nyo palagyan dito ng shower enclosure. Yan. Depende sa inyong perspective. And let's proceed naman dito sa ating living area. So this is the living area. To give you idea, yung height ko is 5'3". Kasya dito yung ating sofa bed. Then, lagyan nyo ng mirror to widen up the space. Dito naman yung ating built-in na television. To give you idea lang. Then, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng 2-seater to 4-seater dining. And meron dito sliding door. This is the sliding door. Pwede nyo itong pa-remove or i-stay nyo to make an hotel concept. So, this one is the bedroom area. Kasya hanggang queen size bed. Pwedeng double deck or single bed. Depende sa inyong perspective. And ito naman ang split type aircon. Kasya hanggang 1.5 horsepower. Ayan. So ito yung ating ventilation. Meron tayo ditong window. Yan. Imagine niyo overlooking linear park. Diba? Ang ganda. And right now, let's proceed naman sa dress-up unit. Dito na tayo sa dress-up unit. Ayan, gaya ng sinabi ko, pwede siyang i-customize like this. Pwede nyo lagyan ng upper side cabinet, range wood, ayan. May cooktop dito. Ito yung ating tiles. And ayan, pinalitan lang ng color. Then ayan, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng patungan ng microwave. Then another storage upper. And this one is the refrigerator. Ayan. And tignan nyo yung toilet. Ayan. Top-load washing machine. Every space kasi sa condominium, minamaximize, kaya nagkasya siya dito. And yan, nilagyan pa dito ng another storage. Ito yung vanity mirror, and this is the sink. Yan. Ito naman yung ating toilet. Ayan. Imagine niyo meron ditong water heater. Ito yung shower enclosure. Kalahati lang yung nilagay, pero pwede namang full. Then, let's proceed na sa exciting part, guys. Ito yung exciting part, ang pinaka-paborito ko, ang living area. As you can see, napaka-elegant ng design na ginawa dito. Yan, di ba? So, pwede yung glass. Pag glass kasi maganda talagang tignan sa condominium. And hindi sofa bed yung nilagay. Hanggang 3-seater sofa siya. And ito yung mirror to widen up the space. Kasi pag may mirror, imaginein mo, di ba, oh, nagwa-widen up talaga yung space niya. And maganda, another storage kayo dito para makasave kayo ng space. Pwede pa kayo maglagay dito. Then, ito yung ating split type television. Merong built-in television. And nilagyan ng wallpaper. Ayan, ang ganda ng design nito. Then, may lower storage na naman tayo dito. Another storage and design, decoration, di ba? And tinanggal yung sliding, pinalitan ng design. Pwede din glass, guys. Depende sa inyong gusto. Ito, yung nilagay na bed is double size lang. Familiar kasi ako sa mga decoration kasi nag-i-interior din kami. So, ayan guys, may mga pillow and painting. And nandito yung ventilation. Ayan, yung meron tayo ditong aircon, window type, and another storage. Parang study table lang, di ba? Pwede din kayo dito maglagay ng makeup kit nyo or kung gusto nyo dito kayo mag-work, working area nyo. So, marami siyang purpose. And ito, kasya pa yung double size na cabinet. Ayan, ang ganda ng cabinet, oh, ang laki. Pwede nyong gayahin to guys, kung bibili kayo ng unit dito sa Vail Residences. To avail a unit, the only requirements is government-issued valid ID and reservation agreement form. Kung based abroad kayo, pwede naman tayo mag-set ng Zoom presentation and pwede siyang fill-upan via digital using Adobe Acrobat and marami namang other platform na pwedeng fill-upan. Anyway, may tutorial ako dyan at pwede ko kayong turuan with my team paano mag-reserve ng unit dito sa Vail Residences. The only requirements, valid ID. Reservation fee as of this month is 30,000 only and meron tayong ino-offer ng mga no down payment term, meaning after 30 days, magre-reserve ka lang ng 11,000 as of this month. Pre-selling, makaka-save ka pa ng 12%. Kontakin nyo na kami dito sa aking Viber or WhatsApp. Ang next kong pupuntahan naman is Iloilo. See you there, guys, sa mga taga Iloilo and Bacolod. Again, guys, sa mga bagong viewers yan, lalo na dito sa Cagayan de Oro, Mindanao, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you from my next video. Thanks for watching.
Iloilo.